At first thought, garlic and cucumber may seem like an unlikely mix, but when we see how these two healthy ingredients complement each other, we quickly see that they are a potent combination with many health-promoting abilities. Garlic and cucumber are packed with nutrition, unique plant compounds, and contain medicinal properties. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic mixed with cucumber regularly. First, combining and consuming garlic and cucumber is quite simply a nutritional powerhouse. When consuming, you can add to recipes, but it is best to eat these two foods raw and keep the peel of the cucumber on, as this will provide even more nutrients. Garlic contains high levels of manganese, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, and many more. It also contains a unique compound known as allicin, as well as sulfur compounds and dietary fibre. Cucumber is also packed with healthy nutrients. It contains high levels of vitamin K, vitamin C, manganese, potassium, pantothenic acid, and magnesium. Cucumbers are also packed with antioxidants and are very low in calories, just like garlic. Garlic and cucumber, when consumed together, can also have tremendous benefits for our immune system. Studies have clearly shown the benefits garlic has on our immune system and how it can fight and prevent various infections and illness, such as the common cold and flu. Garlic also has amazing antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, and when combined with its free radical reducing antioxidants, can support our immune system and promote its proper functioning. Cucumbers can also help to support a healthy immune system due to its very high levels of antioxidants. Studies have even shown that not only can they reduce the risk of illness, but even chronic illness and disease. Cucumbers can reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals while reducing the risk of autoimmune disease. When we consume garlic and cucumber regularly, it can provide important health benefits for our heart and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. Garlic is an amazing heart-healthy food. Not only does it provide medicinal properties that can reduce chronic disease, such as cardiovascular disease, but the active compounds in garlic can help to significantly reduce and regulate blood pressure levels. Also importantly, garlic can help to lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Cucumbers are also healthy for our heart. Their high levels of antioxidants can reduce free radicals in the body that can damage the cardiovascular system and over time increase the risk of developing heart disease. Cucumbers can also help to rid the body of waste products and inflammation that are risk factors for heart disease. Lastly, consuming a mixture of garlic and cucumber can help to control blood sugar levels in the body. Studies have shown that the consumption of cucumbers can help to reduce blood sugar levels. This is even more likely when the cucumber peel is left on due to the extracts found in the peel that can decrease blood sugar and insulin sensitivity risks. Garlic is also very helpful in this regard, as it can help to control blood sugar levels, and due to its very low amount of calories, antioxidants, and medicinal compounds, will not create spikes in blood sugar levels that can lead to complications associated with increased blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.